Good morning.
There's one great song.
Divalicious here from Las Vegas,
Come and join
Nevada.
me.
Singing with just Llave on my kite.
Let it fall, my heart, as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and now it's over, until you kissed my lips and you say,
My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet.
but there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true, and the games you'd play you would always win, but I set fire to the rain, watch it pour it, set your face, let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
With light, with you, I could stay there, close my eyes. Will you hear forever? You and me together, nothing gets better.
To satisfy to you that I never knew all the things you say that were never true, and the games you play you would always win, but I set on fire to the rain, watch it pour, set your face, let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set on fire to the rain, and I threw walls into the place where I felt something dark, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time.
Sometimes I wake up by the door. That heart you called must be waiting for you. Even now when it's already over, I can't help myself from looking for you.
I set fire to the rain, watch it pour, touch your face, let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw walls into the place where I felt something dark, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last